Let's learn phonics. For early learners or for children who get confused between the sounds, it is important that we teach the sounds explicitly as well as in comparison. A sound, A. Also teach them how you are making the sound of A, how you are opening the mouth. A, apple. For you, it is U, up. A, apple. U, up. A. Give them 10 different words starting with the A sound and 10 different words starting with the sound. If the child is still getting confused between the A and U sound, that is A and sound, then take the child's hand, put it under your chin here where you can feel the sound, and put your hand here to check if the child is pronouncing the sound properly. If you teach it like this, the child will learn faster. And like always, please use the multisensory method of teaching the sounds. Like always, give the visual flashcard, then do a multisensory method of writing U. While writing U, say the sound U, and also give them a root word, up or umbrella. Also do air writing, use multisensory method. This is the tactile. Also use the Play-Doh. Teach this method so that it registers properly for the child. Follow us to know more about phonics. You can also download our Phonics Jingle app and comment code to get it free.